Stock investing and option trading. My portfolio is up over 26%. And you know what? There is another stock that is also up. That is Sucker Internet Group. It's up 20.39% today. Over the past 5 days, it's up 120%, so more than double. 1 month, 188%. It just came out, IPO, right? So that's pretty crazy. It's pretty up. And there are also some stocks that are up as well. And there are also some stocks that are down because of news related to this Sucker Internet Group. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Investor and Option Trader channel. Today I'm going to talk about two stocks that are down, that are great companies, and Sucker and another stock that are up. So what can we do to profit? Could we profit from Sucker Internet Group, or is it too late? Buy, hold, or sell? Or could there be other stocks that is waiting for you to take profits? Okay, Coinbase. The past 5 days up 29.92%. Oh, Coinbase is related to cryptocurrency, right? Cryptocurrency up 1 month 17.9%. Year to date, it's only up 19.89%. Over the past 5 years, it stayed down. So if you bought it at IPO, hey, you could still be losing money, right? So that most of the gain came from the past 5 days, 29.92% for this year. Most of the gain for this year. So, hey, something must be going on with cryptocurrency. So how about MicroStrategy? Hey, it's down 1.22%. MicroStrategy company owns lots of Bitcoin. So it should be up, right? So if it has something to do with cryptocurrency, why is it down 11.23% over the past month? Year to date, it stayed positive 23.23%. 5 years is phenomenal. It's up phenomenal because of Bitcoin. So, but it's very, very confusing that MicroStrategy is down, Coinbase is up, and Sucker is up. So something is going on, and there are some stocks that are down. Mastercard is down. Hey, Mastercard is a company that is very, very steadily rising in price. It's very rare to see Mastercard down over the past 5 days, 7%. The same way, Visa, 6.07% over the past 7 days is down. So 1 month, 7.71%. Year to date, positive 7.69%. Master, 1 month, 8.28%. Year to date, it's only up 2.02%. But over the past 5 years, it's up 79.75%. Visa, 76.16%. So Visa, Master, they have been around for a long time. And this is usually when I invest in stock, I like to see at least 5 years of public company track record, right? So once, if it's an IPO, I don't really like invest. Because look at Coinbase. Coinbase is down, it's still negative. When you invest in a company that is less than 5 years, you could be losing money, right? You buy it at the top 342, then you down to 33, 10 times less, your equity. That is very, very unsettling for anybody who invests in IPO. The same way with Palantir. Palantir, it was up over 32% in 2021, but see, 2022, it's down to $8, $7. So you lost that tremendous amount of money. So almost 5 times. You lost like 1/5. You are only left with 1/5 of your competitor. But now Palantir is already 5 years public company, right? So that's why I invest some of my money in Palantir. I do trading, option trading as well, because it already meets my criteria. I have my 5 criteria. One of them is at least 5 years of public company record. So Sucker, it just became public, a few days ago. So it doesn't meet my criteria. So I'm not going to buy, but I could do some trading, right? I don't need to buy to profit. I could do some trading. So why did it go up in the first place. So I need to know that. You also should know, because if you are thinking about trading or investing, sometimes it's helpful to know the news. Coinbase and Circle surged after stablecoin bill passes Senate. Senate usually approve financial laws, stuff like that. So if Senate approves a stablecoin, so everybody could use stablecoin in the US, right? So what are stablecoin laws? They also mention, hey, you should not use leverage with stablecoins. You should not offer interest rate. The last five years ago, cryptocurrency market crashed because crypto exchanges are offering like 20% staking rewards. That's quite a lot, and they could not honor it. So when the market interest rate rose, they couldn't need to pay 20%. So that's why they crashed. Lots of people lost money. So stablecoin, no, you could not offer interest rate related to stablecoin. So that's one of the features of the law. And if House passes stablecoin bill and also President sign it, so that could become law. And Circle issues USDC stablecoin jumped a lot because of this law, Genius Act. Right? Coinbase also earns 50% of revenue with Circle. So that's why Coinbase jumped. That's why MicroStrategy, it did not move. And MasterCard and Visa card dropped because people are afraid that if everybody can use stablecoin for the payment, at the restaurant, at the supermarket, then nobody gonna use credit card. Are you insane? Credit card has been around for like 30 years, so many decades. Not many people use credit card yet. You see, even if stablecoin became a law today, it may not be until 20, 30 years later that everybody's gonna start using it. That really happens. Don't worry. MasterCard and Visa, they know how to issue stablecoin. They could possibly issue stablecoin of their own as well. Visa, the same way, right? Because these are big companies, has been around for a long time. They already know that this is coming. They might already have something under their sleeves. Is in case something really substantial happening, they could probably change their business model just like that. Instead of cash payment, we can also do USDC payment, whatever. They could do that. So I'm not worried about Visa, Master. Genius Act could spark explosive growth in the near 260 billion stablecoin market. That's why stock is up. Coinbase is also up. What is Genius? Guiding and establishing national innovations for US. Okay. So that is really good news for stablecoin. Not so much for other cryptocurrency. So how can you profit? For me personally, I'm not going to invest in Circle, but I could profit. How? By options. Right? July 25th, I could buy 250 strike price, option. I need to pay 4,800. That's quite a lot because it's very hot stock. 4,800, $250 strike price. If it opens up, next Monday, then if it goes up during the day, I could do day trading, or I could even hold it for the next few days. But I'm not going to hold it for a long time because it has been up a long time. So lots of people are gonna start selling. I don't want to be holding the bag like Coinbase investor, losing the money after the IPO it crashed. I don't want to be like that. And also be careful, okay? Of course, I'm not telling you to buy or hold or sell or trade any stock or security. I'm just thinking out loud. I'm just telling you what I could do. I could buy call option and day trade, or maybe a few days swing trade. Or another way is that, hey, Master company is a very great company. Year to date, it's only at 2.02%. It will be up. Nobody's gonna switch from credit card to stablecoin right away, right? Everyone's gonna keep using Mastercard and stablecoin, Visa card. Plus, there are so many millions or billions of people who have never used credit cards before. So there are so many markets, right? So I'm not worried about it. So what I could do if I'm not worried, it also up 76.16% over the past 5 years. I like their track record, regularly going up. So what I could do is basically instead of soccer, I could also buy Mastercard. I could buy stock. Buy stock may not be very quick, but if you intend to hold it for 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, stock could be a very great opportunity. You don't see Mastercard going down 7%, over the past 5 days, and it's not very often. So, you know what? I could also buy a call option, Mastercard, right? July, whatever, 25th. I could buy. Now 534, I could buy 540. Hey, look at the 540, it's only cost 1,730, 17.30. I usually buy one call option to have exposure similar to buying 100 shares, only 100 shares. So instead of paying for 54,000, I just need to pay $1,730 to get an exposure like as if I'm owning 100 shares of Mastercard. So that's what I can do. I only need to pay 1,000 plus instead of 4,800 for soccer, right? If I know that Visa also gonna go up. If I know that, I'm also going to buy Visa plus Mastercard to get exposure because they tend to go up at the same time. So Visa call option and July 25th. Let's see, I could pay only $820. I don't have so much money, I only have less than 1,000. Hey, we could do $820. $820 it's less than 1,000. If I could not afford to pay 4,800 for soccer, or if I could not afford to pay $1,730 for Mastercard, I could pay $820 for Visa, right? For Visa, expiration is July 25th. This is an example. If you think that it could take some time for them to recover, you can choose longer period of time. You know what? I know the Visa is going to be up 1 year from now. I'm very sure, 100% confident, then I could choose September, 1 year, next year. Of course, the premium will be much higher. 4,245, but it stays lower than soccer. Soccer that only 35 days expiration date, 4,800. That's ridiculous, right? That's a lot of money. So, which stock do you like the most? Which stock are you thinking about investing? Or which stock are you thinking about trading options? Comment down below. If you want to learn more about stock investing, call option, put options, and invest option, go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto channel. Go to playlist. You can learn more about it. You can check my YouTube description comment below for stock trading account. You can open an account to get free stock, or if you want to have a mentorship call with me, the link's gonna be in the YouTube description comment down below as well. Share, subscribe. Happy trading. I will see you in the next video. Bye.